In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Illustrator Error Code 182 step by step. This error usually appears during installation, and it typically means that the installer cannot find the required installation package or that the package has become corrupted. It's especially common when you're installing Illustrator from a custom deployment package or when the installation files are stored inside a very long folder path. The good news is that this issue is usually very easy to fix once you know what's causing it. I'll walk you through several proven solutions that work for most users. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's go ahead and fix Illustrator Error Code 182. The first and most common fix is shortening the installation path. Windows has a maximum path length limit, which means if your installer is buried inside many nested folders, the system may not be able to properly locate all of the installation files. This can trigger Error Code 182. To fix this, open the folder where your Illustrator installation package is located. Instead of running the installer from a deep folder structure, copy the entire installation folder. Next, open your C drive and paste that folder directly onto the root of the drive. For example, you can place it in a folder called C/Adobe Install. Once the folder is copied there, open it and run the setup.exe file again. By shortening the file path, you remove the Windows path limitation and the installer can properly access all required files. The next fix is to make sure the installer files are fully extracted. If you downloaded Illustrator as a compressed zip file, running the installer directly from the zip preview window can cause this error. Instead, locate the downloaded zip file, right-click on it, and choose Extract All. Select a location on your computer and allow Windows to fully extract all the files. Once the extraction process is finished, open the newly created folder and then run the setup.exe file from there. This ensures the installer can access every required package during installation. Another solution that often resolves installation issues is resetting the Adobe Creative Cloud application. Temporary glitches in Creative Cloud background services can sometimes interfere with installations. If you're using Windows, you can quickly reset the Creative Cloud app by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and R on your keyboard at the same time while the Creative Cloud application is open. This refreshes the application and restarts its background services. After the reset finishes, try running the Illustrator installer again and see if the error is resolved. Now, if your Illustrator installer was provided by an IT administrator or downloaded as part of a company deployment package, the issue might actually be with the package itself. In many enterprise environments, installation packages are generated through the Adobe Admin Console. If the package was built incorrectly or has expired, the installer may not be able to locate certain components, which triggers Error Code 182. In this situation, the best solution is to download a fresh package. Administrators should sign in to the Adobe Admin Console, recreate the Illustrator deployment package, and then download the new installer. Once the new package is generated, run the installation again from the freshly downloaded files. Another thing that can occasionally interfere with Adobe installations is outdated GPU drivers. Illustrator performs a system compatibility check during installation, and sometimes old graphics drivers can cause that check to fail. To update your drivers, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapter section, right-click your graphics card, and choose Update Driver. Then select Search Automatically for Drivers and allow Windows to install any available updates. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix Adobe Illustrator Error Code 182. In most cases, simply shortening the installation path or extracting the installer properly will solve the problem immediately. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.